How to add a document on Word to your home screen. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add any Word document to your home screen easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Word app. Now this is the home page as you can see, and these are my documents. Now if you want, for example, to add this document to your home screen, all what you have to do is go here on those three dots, click on them, and now you will have four options. Choose the first one, which is add to home screen. Click on it, and now the document will be added to your home screen from here. Click add, and here is it as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.